Okay. So last session we discussed about how to create a RESTful API, right? So anyone having any idea how to create API? If you want to create API, what are all the things required? Okay. So if you want to create any API, what are all the things required?
Resource,
What is the first one?
resource,
Resource path.
Resource path,
Okay.
method,
method,
Method, very good.
request,
Third one,
request,
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 response,
res-
response,
and
and fifth one,
HTTP request code,
HTTP status code, not
status
request.
code.
HTTP status code. Very good. So yesterday, implemented calculator API, right?
yes.
Only calculator API, weather API, country API, whatever it. Okay,
So,
login
but
API,
while
sign
I'm
up API.
sorry for interrupting. So, actually, I
Yeah,
tried
yeah,
to create the API, but in the last, we get that shell, right? So, I'm not getting
yes,
that
yes.
one in.
Yeah. So did you log in with the laptop?
Yes.
Okay. What I will do at the end of the class, so you can share your screen. I'll explain. I'll fix
Okay.
that issue. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so.
Right. Okay. So to construct, any we need a five things: resource path, method, request, and then HTTP status codes. I hope yesterday I gave solutions. Did anyone prepare answers for that?
No, yes, sir.
Not yet prepared.
Prepared, sir.
Okay, great. So you prepare, right? You can share those through my WhatsApp number. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you can see here my number. So people continue this course daily, whatever the interview questions I'm going to provide, everything you can prepare answers and you can send it to this WhatsApp number. This is my direct number and then WhatsApp number.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, fine. So in design, we have three pages as we discussed, right? We have, sorry, in Mulesoft, we have three pages: design,
Develop,
development, and then
deployment.
deployment. Okay. So in design phase, what we did, we created a API, right?
Mm.
API stands for
Application
application
program.
programming interface. Okay. So whatever we design here, everything will be dummy, right? Dummy in the sense sample, everything will be blueprint of our API. Okay, that is what we created yesterday. So today what we'll do, whatever the API which we created, that we can, import to Studio and we will start development. So again, I'll show you yesterday what we did. So I'll log into anypoint.me. Okay. So here we created, right, one API. So you just go to Design Center, API which we created, we can see it. Okay, now it got open. Today it is taking some time to load this. Okay, in the design center, we created APIs, right? So to develop any kind of application, so we have to use tool called Anypoint Studio. Okay. So by using this, we will do it our actual development. Understood? Okay. So in meanwhile, I'll show you how to, create a project, all these things we'll see. Okay. So these are the project, which I created. What I do, simply I'm going to right click, new Mule project. Okay. So what is our project name? Yesterday we created, right? Calculator API. So you just provide the project name and then click on finish. Okay. So once you click on finish, you can see also, 4 partitions will be there. So in design center, we have 4 partitions, right? Left hand side file browser, in middle, editor, API console, right? Here also we have 4 things. Explorer, this area we can call it as canvas. This is the mural palette, and then this console. Okay. Again, once we start our actual developments, we are going to discuss in detail about what we can do with this studio. Okay, fine. So now, so this is how we can create a project. Okay. If you want to create anything directly, from development, we can do like this. So there is one more way will be there. I will show you. See, already we created, API in the design center, right? Simply right click, new project. As usual, I'm going to provide the project name as 1 second. Still, it is take. So here, can you see we have 3 options over here? Okay, we have 3 options: download RAML from the design center, import RAML from local file, import a post API. Already, we created the design center, right? You just click on this. See, expand this, maximize this. You can see 3. Click on these 3 dots. Okay, so it got opened. Here we need to add account. This is the previous batch. So in this batch, we created this many APIs. Click on add account. See, if you are doing first time directly, this window will open. Okay. So here it asks you your Anypoint platform credentials. Okay. It will ask like, Anypoint platform user and as well as password. Why it is taking time? I think due to some reason it was down. That's why it is not opening here. See? Can you check someone? You guys are able to open this Anypoint platform?
Yeah, yes, sir. Like some different URL it is.
Yeah, yeah. Now it got open. 1 second. Again, I'll do it. Add account. Here, immediately, it should display username and password. We need to provide the our login details. Any point platform we created account, that account we need to write it. I think there was some issue with the. I think they are updating or they are doing something. So that's why it is not at all opening. But no problem. I'll take this old account and we'll see. This is also not. Let me close this. Again, I'll open. Okay. So right click, mirror, expand this. So download RAML from the design center. We just go here. Okay, it got displayed. I select this calculator API. I'll click on OK. So the moment I click on OK, so here you will get one tick mark. It is going to import the API. Can you see? You are importing the calculator API. And you just provide name as why it is not allowing to write. Something strange.
Instead of creating new project, you are exporting.
Importing. See, import API, what will happen? Whatever the design will be there, based on that, it will, create some flows. Instead of, creating by our own, directly it will create. Okay.
Selecting download, right? When you are importing, what you import RAM, okay.
Now it is allowing. I'm going to write calculator API. Okay. So if I click on finish, what will happen? It is going to import the API from the design center and it will, generate a scaffold. Can you see? See, last time when I create, project, I'm not able to see anything here. Now I can see so many flows over here. Understood? Okay. So automatically we will get all these flows. Why? Because based on the design, we got all the things. Okay. Now what we need to do, again, I'll go here in the API. I'll open this. Yesterday we created, right? So if you want to test this application, whatever the response we wrote, see, this is the response which we will get it. So let me test this. Click on get method, try it. So here I'm going to pass number as 6. Here I'll pass 9. 6 plus 9, how much? 15. But what is the output we will get? 10. Can you see? Whatever we wrote, same output we are getting, even though if you pass 2 numbers. Why we will not get the actual output? Because the reason is this is the design. Design is nothing but blueprint of our API. Understood? So yesterday I gave one example, right? Swimming pool. So in this swimming pool, so water will be here, but still we cannot swim here. Why? Because
Just a
this
design.
is just a design. So based on this design, what we need to do, if we develop a swimming pool, so then we can swim it, right? So similarly, here also in this API, whatever will be there, this is the design. So this design we imported to Studio. Now here we need to implement the business logic. Let's say I want to perform addition, right? Can you see? Here also what is the output will be here? Addition is 10. So we don't want this output. What is the output we want? Whatever the, numbers which you are passing, that addition you want. Okay. So let's say you are passing two numbers. So what I will do, I'm going to take two variables. Can someone tell me what is variable in any programming language? Okay. What is variable? Sorry,
It's used to hold the value.
it holds data.
Value.
Very good. Basically, variable is nothing but it is going to store the data. Okay. Or it holds the data. Correct. So now here what I'll do, I am going to write number 1. See, whatever the value which I'm going to send, that I want to store it here in this variable. So here I'm going to write attributes dot. See how we pass request through query parameters, right? In the design, you can see through query parameter we passed. So that's why I'm using query parameters. Query parameters dot number 1. Okay. Similarly, for this I will take number 2. So here what I'll do, I'm going to write attributes dot query params dot number 2. Okay. Now in the transform message, so in the variable I stored, right? In Mulesoft, if you want to call this variable, we have to use wars keyword. So here what I'll do, I'm going to remove this. I'm going to write wars dot number 1. So what I want to do, I want to perform addition, right? So I can write plus. Again, wars dot number 2. That's it. Now, this time what will happen if I send any request from here? Okay. So what will happen? Let's say if I send 90 here. So in number 1 place, if I send a 90, the moment I click on send, first it will come to the listener. So then it will go to API Kit router. It will check whatever the path which provided that will match. It will come here. And here number 1 will be there, right? Here it will store 90. And the next value, if you pass 70, imagine 70 will come here. Here in the transform message, what will happen? I am calling var start number 1. So 90 will come here plus 60 will come here. Like this, we will get the data. That I will show you practical. Okay. So now I will test this API. Okay. So for testing purpose, we are going to use this post localhost colon 8081 slash API slash addition. Okay. Now can you see? I'm going to pass, number 1 as 90, number 2 as 5. So the moment I click on send, what happened? So no listener found for the endpoint addition.
The endpoint,
So
sir, endpoint.
I'll go here, what I wrote here. So this is the endpoint. Okay. I imported, in not this one. Let me relog in this. Yes, here. This API I imported, right? Whatever will be there here. addition. Spelling mistake maybe. Same only.
I think Kishore, that slash API is there in the connector, the HTTP
One
client
second. It
listener.
will display here. So available listeners are so.
Not slash API, looks like a soap. Can you go that
No, no,
listener?
one second. Available listeners are slash so. Okay. So this is the, okay. So old application got deployed. Morning I took 8 o'clock class. So that API got imported. This is not, updated. Let me run this project. I'll click on save. So we need to run this calculator API. So morning I took another class. Maybe, can you see this API got deployed? So now it is running. So once it is deployed, we need to test this application. So application got deployed. Okay. Now we can test it. So now if I go to Postman, so here slash API slash addition. See now I am passing 9 plus 5. We should get 14. See, we got 200 and then result we got 14. See, we did not get 5, 9 plus 5, 10. See in the design what we got. So if we test here, we got whatever will be there. Let's say if I pass 90 plus 5, we are supposed to get 95, right? But whatever we wrote inside that we are getting. See, addition is 10 only we are getting here. 90 plus 5, how much we should get? 95. But what we are getting? 10 here in the design. But in the development, if you pass 90 plus 5, you will get 95. Let's say, let me pass 90 plus 5. See, you are getting 95. If I pass 90 plus 50, will get 140. Okay. If you pass 900, so you will get 950. Not up. See, you got 950. See, let me test in different way. We'll pass some negative value. Minus 9 plus 50. How much will get? Why you guys are taking this much of time?
41.
41. That's it. See how it is, performing calculator. Same way it is also performing, right? So calculator, if you write minus 9 plus 50. See how much you got? 41. Same we received, right? So it is working like as it is like calculator.
Can you pass 15.0?
Sorry,
This
if you write like this, you are getting with the points also.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
So any questions here?
Can you go back that, sorry, number 1, number 2, where you are doing variable assigning and doing the sum? Sorry, not
Yeah, here.
Postman, design. No, you are developed Mule, the Independent Studio, transformation.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have one question here. When you mean to say where, if you pass string, it will take as a string. If you pass as a number, it's a number. If you pass as a decimal, it will take as a decimal like that. Or you have option to, I can declare number like this here. If you have a date, what about
If you
if you
store
pass the
string
date?
only, strings it will come here. Whatever you want to store it in this variable, okay?
Mhm.
If you want to call that, you have to use this keyword. So today I stored, number. Tomorrow you can store some string. Okay. If you want to display that string, same vars dot that name. You can provide it automatically. Will get it.
Oh, you mean to say that the vars, whatever you pass, that value is to take. You mean to say number is
Yes.
numbers.
If you want to
Date,
call that
date,
variable,
percent date.
we have to use this vars keyword.
Okay,
Okay.
got it. Yeah, thank you.
Others, any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. So this, you don't want to practice this. Why? Because I will explain you how to download the studio and all. Okay. Don't download it by your own. So if you want to download the studio, we need some prerequisites. Okay. We need to install Java. Okay. We need to install Maven. Okay. And those environment variables, we need to set it. We need to set Java home, all these things. That and all I'll show you so that your studio will work as it is. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So any questions, others?
Sir, to learn this any point, do we need to learn Java and Maven, all those
No,
things?
not at all. Not
Okay.
required.
Because as I searched in Naukri, then they are asking about Java and Maven, all those things.
See, that is the job description. If you open any job description, okay,
Okay.
let's say Mulesoft.
Raila!
Either go on mute. Okay. So let's say if you open this LinkedIn,
Hmm.
see here, so many things they will add in the job description. That means we don't want to learn all the things. Can you see? MuleSoft, data view, any point platform. Okay. See, anyway, we are doing any point platform here. You will come to know. Building and managing cloud services by automating. Okay. This maybe we don't know, but still they may ask you here. Can you see? Distributed cloud platform configuration deployment. Okay.
Okay.
Can you see? Active MuleSoft certification is must. This I can help you.
Okay.
MuleSoft EDI is the plus, not required, just plus.
Okay.
Can you see? Experience with the S4 HANA connector is a plus.
Okay.
That means we don't want to learn all the things. Understood?
Mhm.
Simply they will see this guy, they are trying to use SAP as a source or target. So that's why if you already working with this connector, it is the added advantage for you.
Okay.
Understood?
Mhm.
So like this, they will give you. That means if they will mention Java means you don't want to learn Java. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Tell them I am a MuleSoft developer. Like this. That's
Okay.
it.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we do have so many on-site opportunities, remote opportunities, all these things will be there. Okay.
Here in this training, are we going to learn on the data weave as well? Sure.
Yes, data we are going to cover.
Okay.
Almost I'll take 4 to 5 sessions. I'm
Okay.
going to explain end-to-end data. Okay. So
Okay.
usually in the course content I mentioned only 2 days. Can you see data view part 1, part 2?
Yeah.
But for this batch, I'll take at least 4 hours, 4 classes,
Okay. Okay.
4 or maybe 5. I'm going to explain, each and everything in detail.
Okay. Actually, can you
Okay.
show us, I mean, like, what are the topics we are going to be discussed in this training now? Can you post this Word document in the WhatsApp or something else like that?
Yeah, I'll post in the WhatsApp group. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Otherwise, if people will join from, different sources, if you want this course content, entire course content, you just text to my number. Already I showed you, right? This is my direct number. You can WhatsApp me. I can share the course content and everything. Okay.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah. So today we have still time, right? So what I'll do, deployment also I'll show you. So how we can deploy our applications. Okay. Very simple in MuleSoft. If you want to deploy your application by single click, we can do it. Right click, run as, Anypoint platform, deploy to Cloud Hub. Okay, very simple. Right click on your project, Anypoint platform, deploy to Cloud Hub. So one more way will be there how to deploy our application that I will discuss in our actual class. Okay. So again, what will happen? It should load this. It will ask you Anypoint platform. Here we need to provide the username and as well as password. See, it got open. Directly earlier I provided. So calculator API, it got open. Okay. Now if you scroll down, so we don't want to provide anything. Just deploy this application. Okay. Scroll down, click on deploy application. That's it. See now what will happen? Your application will be deployed automatically. By using single click, it will be deployed. So that this calculator API is available in the cloud. So that if I share this URL to you, you can access this application anytime 24/7. Understood?
Mm.
See now it is deploying. If I click on open in browser, it will open that particular Anypoint platform. See, very easy. There is no coding in the MuleSoft. Anyone can learn easily.
Kishore, before we have seen something, some of the topics as connectors mentioned in this LinkedIn job post, right? So in that we have studied it like MuleSoft EDI. What does that mean actually? What is the difference between whatever the learnings we are
Both
doing?
will be, same, MuleSoft or Mule ESB. ESB is nothing but like Enterprise Service Bus.
Okay.
Okay. ESB stands for Enterprise Service Bus. Not only Mule ESB. Okay, we have Oracle ESB like this. This we can call it as ESB. ESB stands for Enterprise Service Bus. Okay.
Okay. So nothing,
So
there is nothing difference actually.
no difference. Can you see here?
Yeah.
ESB, it's a lightweight Java based enterprise service bus
Okay.
and integration platform. This allows you developers to connect, multiple applications together quickly and easily. That is
Okay.
what we are doing with the Mule. There is no
Okay.
difference case. See, already for this, I provided, I'll share some documents for you. Okay. You don't want to, bother about anything. For each and everything, I'll give you documents. So I'll show you that as well. Okay, now So we have Mule interview, right? So in this, I explained each and everything in detail. How you need to introduce yourself, self details, roles and responsibilities. Okay, what is your project, like this. At the end, I mentioned, see, what is the naming standards or project structure which we need to follow. All the things, everything I made it ready for you. So what you need to do once we join this, course, daily I'm going to give you some interview questions. First, you can prepare all the interview questions by your own, and later I'm going to provide all these things with you. Okay.
Okay. And are we going to get some assignment kind of a thing to do complete
Yeah,
it on
daily we'll get it. Daily we'll get it.
Okay.
Okay, every day what I'll do, I'm going to provide some assignment that you need to finish it on the same time. Can you see? ESP.
Yes.
Sometimes they may ask you, what is ESP? ESP stands for Enterprise Service Bus. Okay, basically, it's a middleware tool for integrating various applications together over a bus like infrastructure. Okay,
Okay.
so like this, everything I created for you guys. So what you need to do, just you need to learn these questions on day one itself. Okay, so
Okay.
that you will get job immediately. Some people, they will think after completion of course, again they will take some time and they will start working on it. In that time, what will happen? Your time will be wasted. Okay.
Mm. Yeah. Okay. Got it.
Okay. Now we'll go here. Can you see our application successfully deployed? See, this is the API, right? Which we deployed. If you go here, can you see there is a green button? That means this application got started. Go to settings. So you can see app URL. You just copy this URL. You can go to Postman. So you just remove this up to here and you can paste this. And let me change this values, whether it will work or not. We'll see. See, now application, it was there in the cloud. Can you see Cloud Hub? If I share this URL with you, it will work for you. So what I'll do, I'll post in the chat box for time being. And you just go here, click on send. Okay. So can someone hit this URL? See, even if you don't have Postman, no worries. You just hit it. That will open in the browser. Otherwise, I'll open here also. You can see. So you're getting bad gateway because here HTTPS will be there. You just remove this and you can try it. It will work. See, we got result as -4. So this application I deployed to cloud so that any user can access this if they'll have URL. See, let's say if I want to open ICICI Bank. So if I click on this, can I access this now? I can access. Anytime I can access, right? Why? Because this URL they deployed into cloud. So that's why anytime we can access this application very easily. Got it? Not only ICICI, if you are open any application, if you are accessing means that will be, securely stored in the server so that anytime we can access it. That is called deployment. Deployment is nothing but the process of bringing your application to live environment. Got it? Everyone clear with this? So now you know how to design application, how to develop your application, how to deploy your application. Okay? Just a high level overview, So once we start our actual classes, what we will do, we are going to discuss about each and every component in detail. What is listener? I use so many things: listener, API kit router, console, and then variable, transform message. All these things we will discuss in coming classes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So today what we'll do, if you want to people who want to continue this course, okay, you can enroll from today onwards. So you can directly, if you want to talk anything about, you can call to this number. What I will do, I'll answer your queries. Then already I created one WhatsApp group for this batch. Once you guys make a payment, I will add your number in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So today Wednesday, right?
Yes, sir.
I'll give you, time, 4 days, Wednesday, right? Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I'll give you 3 days of time. Before Sunday, if you want to continue this course, you can pay the fee and you can enroll for this course. So Monday onwards, we will start our actual classes. Okay. Daily, I will take only one concept. Okay. I will explain each and every topic in detail. Daily, one topic. In this topic, I'll provide interview questions. Okay. And I'm going to give one lab exercise as well. Okay. Daily. So what you need to do? First, you need to, attend this class. Whatever I'm going to explain, that you have to practice it. After, completion of this practice, then you can go to lab. Lab means you can practice this. If I give extra things that you have to do it. Few things I won't explain. Few I will explain. Few I can give it as a task. Why? Because if I explain everything, what you can do, you can watch the recording and you can do it. But when you go to office, if you are getting some new thing, okay, so how you need to do? Again, you need to depend on someone. So that's why day one onwards, I'm giving some extra task to you. You have to Google it. You need to YouTube it. Okay. Then you need to complete that task. Still, if you are not able to do that, I can help you to fix that issue. Okay. This is how it is going to work. If you are facing any kind of issues, if you are coming offline, I'll be here only. If you are working in online, so what I will do, if you are facing any issues, you can post that issue in the WhatsApp group so that I can help you. Okay.
Okay.
And there's someone saying that they are facing some issue, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll
Can I
make
share the
you
screen?
host. Yeah, I'll make you host. Yeah, you can share your screen now. Very good. You already created an account and yesterday you tried whatever we discussed. See, daily if you practice 1 hour, it will be very easy. I promise you, when compare with these tools, there is no, easy tool, available in market. Yeah, click on that.
Sir, here I'm not getting anything, sir. In shell bar.
Okay. Can you click on after one, API one?
Where, sir? Here.
Here, title will be there, right?
Yes, sir.
Cursor is blinking in the Canva editor.
Hmm.
After one, you just click on
Okay. Should I?
enter.
Hmm? Okay,
See,
okay.
now you are getting.
I just kept the cursor there and
You
I
kept
was.
your cursor here in the first line.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's why you didn't get. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, sir.
So no worries. Why? Because this is, first time you are using this application, right? So
Yes,
that's
sir.
why you will get some confusion. So going
Okay.
forward, you will become an expert in this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any other questions from anyone?
Kishore, if you don't mind, can you share those documents? I ping you in the email.
Sorry.
Yes, Raja here. I shared my email in. I ping in the chat. Can you
Yeah,
share
Raja, tell me.
that? Can you share that document, that email ID?
I'll share you. Okay.
Okay.
I said still not classes not started. I said I'll share this link, Monday.
Okay, no problem. That's fine. Thank you.
Okay. Others,
Till
any
this,
questions?
till this weekend, we are going to have this demo classes only, or else tomorrow onwards we are having this real classes.
No, tomorrow onwards we don't have any classes. What I'll
Oh.
do, I explained 3 classes, right?
Yeah.
So again, still, if you want to know more about my training, just you can go to YouTube. Okay, here you just type Ketu Infotech.
Yeah.
Okay, so many, recorded videos will be here. Okay, and you can see how we are going to explain. In this project classes also will be there. Everything, if you want, you can go through this. So many videos will be here. You just go through that. Mostly all will be demo and the 3 classes will be here. Okay.
Okay,
And you
so
just go through this.
main classes will be going to start it on Monday
Yeah.
onwards.
Monday onwards, we are going to start new classes. And this link, it won't work. Whatever we use today, it won't work. People who are not enrolled for this course, I'll create a WhatsApp group. In the WhatsApp group, I will share the new link. Okay.
And how many days training is going to get happen?
This entire course I created for 30 hours.
Okay.
Usually we can finish in 22 hours, but
Okay.
I'll take some extra topics, all these things. So
Okay.
I'll make it around 30 hours. In this
Okay.
30 hours, in design, we covered, 8 to 10 classes, development 18 classes, deployment 2 classes. And
Okay.
data view, I'll take, some extra classes. Why? Because many people are, failing in the data view. So that's why I'll take some extra concepts on it. Okay. Daily we'll get the recordings after completion of, your class. Within 1.5 hour, you will get the recordings. Okay.
Okay.
That recordings we will provide through Classroom.
Okay. And we are going
Okay,
to have
here
on Saturday and Sunday as well, right?
that we will discuss. If everyone is agree with the weekends, I will take. I'll be free only weekends. I will take that classes. Okay.
Okay. Fine. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank
See
you.
here it will create, classroom like this. So all our classes will store here. See, almost for last batch, I took 32 hours.
Okay.
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 So all our classes will be there. If you click on this, you will get a YouTube link. It will open it. Okay. And these videos will be private. Even if you see my channel, you won't get all the videos. Only public videos will be the demos. We will keep it.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank
Okay,
you,
guys. Any
Kishore.
other questions?
Thank you, Kishore. I
Yes.
will attend this session, Kishore, not other session. Okay, I like this class.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
Yeah, guys. If you don't have any questions, we'll wind up this session now, and then we'll meet on Monday. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Brajesh. Go ahead.
Sir, in this, like in 30 days, the certification will also be covered, right? All the things.
Certification also, you will get it free of cost.
Okay.
So once we start, after completion of our 6 classes or 7 classes, I will explain you how to enroll for that certification also.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Chalo, guys. We'll meet on Monday.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Thanks all. Any questions, you can reach out to me directly to my number.
Okay, sir.